In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get push notifications for orders on Coinbase. If you want your phone to alert you the moment something important happens on your Coinbase account, like an order update or a price move, here's how to set it up clearly and confidently. Start by opening the Coinbase app. On the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. From there, choose Settings, sometimes labeled as Account and Settings depending on your version of the app. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see Notifications and tap it. This is your control center for what Coinbase sends to your device. Here, you can choose the types of alerts you want. Look for options like price alerts or similar categories that let you customize which notifications you receive. This is also where you'll want to make sure push notifications are enabled. Find a toggle for push notifications and turn it on so alerts can actually appear on your device's lock screen or as banners. While you're on the notifications page, take a moment to review the specific categories available. If you're interested in updates related to orders, such as confirmations or status changes, make sure any options that mention orders, buys, or sells are turned on. This ensures you'll get real-time push alerts whenever there's activity tied to your account. Quick note before we continue. If you need the app, I've placed the official Coinbase download link, along with the website, right at the top of the description so you can grab it easily and follow along. Now, if you'd like alerts when a specific coin hits a target price, head to the Prices tab at the bottom of the app. Select the cryptocurrency you want to track by tapping on it. In the top right corner, tap the bell icon with the plus sign. You'll see options to trigger the alert when the price goes above or below a number you choose. Set your target. Confirm whether you want above or below, and then tap Create Alert or Save. That's all it takes. You'll now receive a push notification the moment that condition is met. A couple of quick tips to keep everything working smoothly. Keep the app updated so new notification controls work properly, and double check your phone's system settings to allow notifications from Coinbase. Also, consider setting sensible price thresholds so you receive timely alerts without too much noise. And that's it. You've enabled push notifications, tailored the types of alerts you receive, and set up precise price triggers for the assets you care about. Thanks for watching.